Hello, I'm making this video to demonstrate how to use this Synappx Go no login application. It's already been installed on the machine here. So what you do is you click that icon. The machine's going to give you a display of what to do. Place the document on the document feeder with your phone, which you have to install Synappx Go. Open that on your phone. You can download it from either your Google Store or the App Store. In this case, I'm not going to log in because I'm using the Synappx no login. Hit continue and hit scan. As you can see, I've already put my email address in here. This is where the machine is going to scan to. I'm going to hit start, hit OK because the phone has to have access to your camera, and then you just scan the QR code with your phone, and then the machine's going to email that document to the email address here on your phone. Same thing with the copy function. And I'm going to hit copy. I can change the quantity, double-sided, single-sided. I'm going to hit copy. Now I'm going to go load this document on the document feeder. Okay, I'm going to hit OK because that has access to your camera. Then I'm just going to, with my phone, scan that QR code. And then the copier is going to make copies of that document. Now, these grayed out features, I've been told, are going to be coming later, or maybe part of a subscription-based no Synappx Go application, but right now, you can't use that right now. Thanks for watching.